Are redder tomatoes really better? The answer may be different from what you think. Hello everyone, I am Xiaoying. Food is the most important thing. Food safety is always the most important thing for us. The most important thing in our daily life. And it is also a matter that every household cares about when we go to the market or supermarket to buy food. We are most worried about buying all kinds of fruits and vegetables that have been artificially ripened. They taste bad and long. Term consumption will affect family health. I believe many friends have had this experience. When choosing tomatoes in supermarkets, we see them with bright red color and plump, and they look very tempting. After buying them happily, cooking them or eating them raw, the taste is greatly reduced. They taste either bland and tasteless, with no tomato flavor at all, or the flesh is extremely hard, or so hard that it is like biting a stone, and hard to swallow. If this happens, you have probably bought tomatoes and artificially ripened tomatoes. Many people don't know that the tomatoes that grow naturally in the open air and artificially ripened tomatoes, whether it is the internal flesh state or the overall shape, have obvious differences. Today, I will share with you to share with you. Just look for these 4 details you can easily distinguish good from bad tomatoes. After learning it, you won't be fooled when buying tomatoes. Easily pick fresh tomatoes that are naturally ripe. Let me first talk about the biggest differences inside tomatoes. Naturally ripe tomatoes, the flesh is firm and plump, and the flesh inside is a uniform bright red, and some have a light natural earthy yellow color. The flesh is thick and full, and the juice content is very sufficient. When you gently break it, juice will flow out along the flesh lines. You can smell a rich, pure natural fruit and vegetable fragrance. It is sweet and sour, juicy. It is full of natural sweetness and freshness from the sun. On the contrary, tomatoes that are quickly ripened by hormones, which completely violates the natural growth law, which is a typical case of forcing growth. Its internal flesh is loose and spongy, and the overall texture is dry. There are very few tomato seeds inside. Some even have no seeds at all. Even if there are a few with seeds, are also green and immature seeds. They are lifeless. They taste the original fresh and delicious taste of tomatoes. Merchants generally won't agree to cut open tomatoes to check the inside. We can't rely on luck to blindly choose every time. Don't worry, today. I will teach you 5 practical identification tips. Without cutting the fruit, you can accurately distinguish between naturally ripened and artificially ripened tomatoes. Simple and easy to remember, simple to learn. Look at the overall shape, have a full growth cycle. Naturally mature tomatoes after long-term sunlight and rain nourishment. The overall shape is round and symmetrical, and the overall size is regular and coordinated. The lines from top to bottom are smooth and smooth. There are no extra bumps or depressions. The overall appearance is natural and comfortable. Every curve grows just right, making them look fresh and healthy. But tomatoes ripened with hormones have a very strange appearance, and the overall appearance is particularly unnatural. Many fruits have hard and raised edges on the surface. Some fruits are unbalanced in size. One side is larger than the other. Their shapes are crooked, which are ugly. Many fruits' tops will grow small, hard bumps. Just from the appearance, roughly judge the taste of the fruit. The second trick is to focus on the top of the tomato. This is the most intuitive key point. It is also the preferred way of judgment for many experienced shoppers. Normally, naturally mature tomatoes, the navel at the top is slightly inwardly sunken, forming a small and round shallow pit. The depression arc is more obvious from the side. It is a natural growth state of the fruit. They look stretched and natural hormone. Ripened tomatoes are the opposite. The navel on the top mostly protrudes outward, and many of them have pointed small protrusions. Overall, they look tense and stiff, without the texture of natural growth. Compare the two kinds of tomatoes together. One is round and concave. The other is firm and convex. The difference is obvious. When buying tomatoes, just look for the ones with sunken navels. They're basically good tomatoes that mature naturally, with uniform and soft color. As long as you remember these 4 practical selection methods when you go to the market to buy tomatoes, you won't worry about buying poor quality fruits that have been artificially ripened. You can easily pick out natural and tasty and nutritious tomatoes. Food is the prime want of people. Food safety concerns each of us, everyone's health. If you learn more about daily life and grocery shopping, you can better protect the family's dietary health. The practical tips for identifying tomatoes shared today is very down to earth and full of practicality. If you think the content is useful, don't forget to like and save, and share it with your family, relatives, neighbors, and friends. Let more people learn to choose fresh and healthy ingredients and stay away from problematic fruits and vegetables, and eat safely and healthily. Friends who like it must collect and try it. Like and follow to stay on track. Xiaoying will share more next time. Cost-effective home, cooked dishes and kitchen tips. Unlock more amazing ways to eat affordable ingredients. See you next time.